There's a species of jellyfish that is biologically immortal. Turritopsis dohrnii can revert back to a polyp stage after reaching sexual maturity, essentially restarting its life cycle. This process can potentially repeat indefinitely. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood through the gills, and the third circulates oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. The smell of freshly cut grass is actually a plant distress signal. When grass is damaged, it releases volatile organic compounds, VOCs, as a defense mechanism and a way to communicate with other plants. Honey never spoils. Due to its low water content, high acidity, and the presence of hydrogen peroxide, honey creates an environment where bacteria and other microorganisms cannot thrive. Archaeologists have found edible honey in ancient Egyptian tombs. The average cloud weighs over 1 million pounds. While they appear light and fluffy, the sheer volume of water droplets or ice crystals within a cloud contributes to its immense weight.